National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Joe Daviess County, Carroll County, Stevenson County, southeastern Jackson County, northeastern Clinton County, until 4:45 a.m. At 3:40 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Apple Canyon Lake to near South Sabiula Lake Park, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Freeport, Mount Carroll, Savannah, Lena, Stockton, Lanark, Warren, Milledgeville, Pearl City, Elizabeth, Cheyenne, Cedarville, Davis, Woodbine, Sabiula, Chadwick, Dakota, German Valley, Apple River, and Winslow. Take cover now.